Hello viewers, welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this multi-sander, the model PMS 160B2 from Parkside. Ideal for sanding wood, metal, plastic. Nominal power 160 watts, includes 3 sanding seats, speed 13,000 RPM, oscillation rate 26,000 OPM. 3 years warranty, accessories included. Let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. It's working with 220 volt, not with battery. In the past I have made other videos with battery, so that is only 220 volt. Included we have the manual. The cable length, it is 3 meters, very convenient. On-off button, cover it. Adapter connection for your vacuum cleaner, or you can use the dust box. Inside we have the bag. Remove the bag, empty the bag, clean it, and you can install it. And then install that here. Press, rotate, and it locks. Soft grip elements. Here it is, the sanding plate. 3 sanding seats. P180, P120, and P80. All these are for wood. Of course you can buy other sanding seats for metal. And it is very easy to install. Let's start with the P80. We can see these holes. Holes are helping for extracting the dust at the back collection or with a vacuum cleaner. Let's power it on. P120. P180. So smooth, I like it. We can see the differences between this area and this. Great job! With only 17 euros, 220 volt, you can have these results. Use it on wood, metal, plastic, wherever you want. Thumbs up! Thank you for watching. Have a nice and lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. More videos are coming. Bye bye.